nature of darkness than clearness. Shiloh's lightly sedated. She's not feeling too well. She had the bump removed. Shelby's consoling. Turn on some lights. How you doing, huh, girl? Can I have your paw? Can I have your paw? Oh, that was good. You did it. That was good. Do it again. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Give me your paw. Oh yeah, that's a good girl. How you feeling, huh? Huh? You look a little upset. You want to show everybody your walk? Come here. Come on, let's go in here. Come on, Shy. Come on. Come on, let's go in here. Oh, almost hit the wall. Oh, she did hit the wall. Lay down, girl. I know you're hungry. Can you lay down? Shy, lay down. Shy. Shiloh, lay down. Oh, there she goes. And down again. Oh, you got a bite. Are you sure you can be doing that? Oh, you're cheating totally.
We went and saw another vet, and they told us that we should just take that spot off of Shiloh's lip. That it probably wasn't cancer, that there's not really much we should worry about, so our second opinion vet said we should just take it off. So we did. They gave her some sleepy medicine, and Jamie held her, and they took it off. And now we have a really sleepy, groggy Shiloh. Right, Shy? How are ya? How are ya, huh? Well, it's the morning after, and I think she's still a little out of it. Shy, are you out of it? We're gonna go to work and let her sleep the whole day. So Shiloh's all better. She can walk normal again. Can't ya? You can walk normal again. Shelby's done worrying about her. Are you done worrying about her? Nah, maybe not. What do you think, Shy? You feel better? She feels better. And we have one more little update for you guys. I gotta go in the other room, so hold on a second. Yes, hold on. So here is the results from the Bissell MVP photo contest for last week, which Shiloh was entered. As you can see, a cat won. But what's down here? Look! There's Shiloh! Shiloh took second place in the contest, so she's in the finals along with Shelby. So now we have a 2 in 60 chance of winning something. We thought we would show you guys that. It's pretty exciting. Thanks everybody for supporting her. We appreciate it. And just one more thing. If you guys haven't checked out our second channel yet, you can go check it out. It's youtube.com/withoutthesnowdogs. It's where we'll be posting videos of things we do without the dogs, like if the dogs can't go or things like that. If you guys want to subscribe to it, it's youtube.com/withoutthesnowdogs. Still waiting. Shelby's finally getting tired and laying down, hiding under the chair. Shiloh's upset.